Hi everybody, welcome back to the garage. Well, I started sanding the fender. It's going pretty good. I'm just using a 80 grit at the moment. Trying to get down this red paint, whatever it is, it's really thick. It's awful stuff. And then we're getting down into a, I don't know if it's a white. It's got to be some kind of a white. I thought it was all filler, but I don't find it. I'm not seeing any filler because I've got dents and I got no fill in them. I'm thinking it's just a shitty paint. Not feeling too bad, actually. Let's see what else we can get done here. Get her down as close to the bare metal as I can. Trying not to put too much pressure on it or get it on too much of an angle. But it's feeling pretty good. A lot of flaky stuff right here. And you can see right there's a low spot. That's where the one dent is. There's another one here, but there's one right there. And over here, there's a big dent here. So you can kind of tell now the grinder, you sand as flat as you can. Now when I get down in here, I'm going to have to do a lot of this by hand in that radius. Because you don't really want to start picking at it. In my estimation, anyway. Anyway, I'm going to continue on with this. The fender's not getting hot in any way, so that's good. No warpage. But getting her down to the metal. Bye for now.